realize that the journey is everything. There ain't no destination, man, the journey is everything.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Team Riff here, back with another video. In this video, right, we are going to be going over how to get your TikTok ads to spend, plus some landing page tips that are definitely going to be helping your store get some solid conversions. Now, hopefully this audio is okay. It might be a bit windy outside. I'm not at my desktop. I'm traveling in California right now. But if you're new to this channel, right, we talk about pretty much TikTok ads, drop shipping, e-commerce. So if you're a beginner, this channel is perfect for you. We break down literally how to launch ads step by step, and in future videos we're going to be going over how to create better landing pages that actually convert for your store, and different ways that you can optimize and scale your ads. All right, first off, right, how to get your ads to spend. This is going to be very straight up to the point. So say you make your account, right? Obviously you don't have lowest cost or max bid set yet, and you only have manual. So the best thing that you can do is, I have other previous videos, you can check them out, link them above somewhere, about how when you first initially launch your ads. So once you have those couple ad groups with those different creatives, you have half your bid, the price of your bid. So say if your product costs $20 and you put the bid at $10 and it starts not to spend the first day or two. What you want to do is increase your bid by 25% at least, but then also create a new campaign using page view. So you're still going to be optimizing conversions, but you're going to be using a new campaign optimizing for page views. So you're pretty much telling TikTok, hey, let's build this pixel up a bit, let's get these page views going, and then that starts bringing in traffic from your audience. So inside that page view campaign, I would exclude 13 to 17, they just don't convert. So anything 18 plus, male, female, do US plus Canada, get very cheap CPC, CPMs coming to your site. And then that way, most of the time that I see this when I launch new campaigns, I start to see that my complete payment or purchase conversions, that's what we're optimizing in the first campaign. So we're always going for purchases, starts to spend a bit more now that we have that page view already warming up the pixel, and now it's ready to go. And if you guys still don't see that results and you still don't see it spend, try to up your purchase bid by 10 more percent. Wait the day and see, check it out. It's all just based off feel. And most of the time, guys, let's just be honest. TikTok also won't just blow your money or blow your spend if it doesn't think that the ad can get a purchase. So if you have a crappy ad, most of the time TikTok isn't gonna send it out to another user. It doesn't want to show your ad to an audience, because in reality TikTok views that as just a bad ad. So if your click-through rates are below 1%, most of the time that's just not a good ad, or you're targeting the wrong audience. Now, hopefully the audio is still good. I'm hoping you guys understand this and it's worth value. If you already are getting really awesome value, smash that like button, subscribe. It means a ton to me, because I see who watches these videos and comments below. This is a very small niche community right now, and I'm trying to build it out and teach you guys as much as possible. Now, in regards to landing page tips, once you start seeing your spend, a lot of people are still going that same dropshippy route, which it's fine. Dropshipping is a way of fulfillment, but that doesn't mean that's the way you have to view or set your brand. Meaning, when you're first creating a landing page, try to make it as branded as possible. Work on your copywriting. Work on selling on emotion. Work on selling on the problems the customer has, and using your product as the answer. Really try to find and dive in the psychology of a buyer's mindset when they're purchasing on TikTok. Think about it, humans, right? We pretty much have squirrel brains. If you're scrolling on TikTok, if the first 3 seconds of your ad doesn't pop, right? If it doesn't pop, if it doesn't get their attention, and the fact that they won't even click through, there's no shot you're gonna be making a sale. You're just gonna be wasting your money. So even if they give the opportunity to click through your site, if it's just spam everywhere, there's only 5 seconds left to purchase this product with all these verification badges, with just a terrible site with not quality images, that's the real solution to your TikTok ads not getting the CPA you want. I see a lot of people complaining about, obviously this video is about how to get your ads to spend. I see a lot of people talking about how they're not getting good results. Focus on the landing page, and then it will follow from there. Also, Another thing that I thought of while talking about landing page tips is if you start to see some, profit in your brand and your scale, make sure to start to optimize for SEO. So start ranking on your pages as well as speed. So you want to really optimize the speed of your site. You can go on Fiverr and just get someone to speed optimize it real quick. That's what I do in my other brands. But we also have an in-house guy that does it for a couple of our other fulfillments. But yeah, guys, like that was just the video for today. Quick, to the point, how to get your ads to spend plus landing page tips. I'm going to be breaking down a lot of this in the next few weeks and months just on TikTok overall. Going to be going into product research, creatives, how I even do how to get ads scrolling, and pretty much everything in the space. So if you thought this was valuable and you like this channel, guys, I do appreciate you for commenting, interacting, because it's not only for you, but it's for me. I love talking with you guys. Being in the e-com space, it's a very closed niche, and I think it's good to collaborate with others. Also, if you haven't checked out the case study on how it took a brand new Shopify store, from $0 to $630,000 in 90 days, check that out. The link will be in the description. That's a free case study. You guys can check that out as well. But that was the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys till next video. Peace.